Hello everyone, in previous video I have explained how to generate and verify the JWT token in Node.js. If you want to see this video and then continue this. In this video, I'm going to send the JWT token in React API header to this API. Okay, so this is our API. It is already running. See here, it is already running. Okay, I'm going to connect this from React.js. So I'm going to Postman. This is our endpoint, so copy that because our port number is 4000 and we are going to send JWT token to this API. Okay, so here I already created a React project and also I am running this project. Okay, so I want to create one button. This call API and here on click handle call, and after this const handle call arrow function, here fetch API, and inside this we'll need to add a method. Our API is post, so we need to pass a post here. Also headers, inside headers here we requested that authentication, JWT token, so we need to pass inside this. So inside this we need to pass inside this param, so authorized colon. So go to Postman, see, so this API is for generate JWT token, so click on send. This payload converted to this token. Okay, just copy that and here bearer space that value, that is what we request here. After that just add a then, because we need to capture this response. Okay, this or this error messages as well. Here rest.json, and also again then here we'll get data and just consoling the data. Also our API is ready, and here if this Node.js code is request our payload, means we need to add car sergeant. We imported, also we initialized here. Okay, or otherwise you don't accept the payload from React.js code. Now I'm going to see this network, clear everything. If I click on send, see this is our API, see our API name, and if I see preview, see that token converted to decoded value. See, if you see here, this is what our payload. Okay, we got the same thing here as well. And if we made any mistake in front end code, mistake in the sense just adding like 333 like that, and if I send, if I save, if I click on again, see it's got failed, invalid message. Yep, this is how you can pass a JWT in React.js. Yep, this is what I had to tell this video. I think this video will help you. Bye bye.